Hello all. In today's lecture, we're gonna see on how you can use the Ping module in Ansible. So let's get started. So let me first explain the lab which I would be using in today's practical. So we have a total number of 4 servers in our lab. The first server would be the Ansible master server, and the rest of the servers would be the clients. So coming back to our Linux terminal, so this is my Ansible master server. So in order to check Ansible on the server, we can type in the command which is Ansible hyphen hyphen version. So as we can see here, we have Ansible installed on this server with the version 2.8.4. Now let us configure the host file in Ansible. So in order to do that, we need to go to the directory etc and do a ls, and we'll see that there's a folder which is named as Ansible. You can go to that folder, you can do a ls to list the files and folders. So we see that there's a host file that is there. So in order to add the host, we need to add the servers in the host file so that we can manage it, right? So in order to do that, we can type in the command which is vim host. Okay, we can do vi host. Okay, so here we can add the list of all the servers which are client 1, 2 and 3. We can list all the servers here. So I'll create a group with the name as Linux, and I will add all the IP addresses here. 8.81.13, 192.168.181.14, and 192.168.181.15. So I've created a group which has a list of 3 servers. Now you can save this file. Now I am on my master Ansible server, which has an IP address of 192.168.181.12, right? And now from this server, we need to communicate to our 3 servers. So in order to do that, we have to generate a Keygen certificate. So we can generate that by typing the command which is ssh hyphen keygen space -t space rsa. You can choose all the default options. So the SSA certificate is generated. Now the second step is to copy this SSH certificate to all the 3 clients. So in order to do that, we can type in the command which is ssh hyphen copy hyphen id, and we can give the IP address of all the 3 servers, so which is 192.168.181.13. It is asking that if I wanted to continue, so I click on I'll type in yes or press enter. I'll choose yes here as well, and then it is asking for the password for my server. So I'll type in the password. So the key has been added to my server which is 192.168.181.13. We need to do the same step for the other two servers as well. So I'll just change the IP address. I'll choose all the default options. Okay, it seems I have an error here. Uh, okay, it is asking for the password. Okay, so the file is added, and this would be my last server. So I'll choose yes. I'll type in the password. It seems that the password was incorrect. Let me type in the password again. There goes. So I've copied the SSH file to all my three servers. So in order to check the ping connectivity, I'll type in the command which is Ansible space -m. I would use the ping module, and I can type in Linux. Linux is the group name that we created earlier in the host file. As we can see here that my Ansible master server is able to communicate with all the three servers which were my clients with 13, 14 and 15. So this is how we can check the connectivity of Ansible from our master server to our clients. Thank you.